Hello traders, welcome back to uGenesys. Today we've got something incredibly exciting to share with you. First things first, check out these impressive profits we've generated for our clients. Here's the total that we've made for this week, and if you take a look at this chart, you can see that we've been making profits consistently, and we now have a total account growth of 2.34%, and we're currently on track to hit 4% for September, and we have a win rate of 75% with more winners than losers. Now here's the game-changing part. Our copy trading program lets you connect your account to our master account, automatically replicating our daily trades, and the best news, it's completely free to sign up with no monthly or weekly fees. Now about those profits, we only deduct a small 20% fee from your profits when you make money. That means if you earn $100, you give us $20 and you keep the remaining $80 profit. This is unique because with other programs, you pay upfront before you've seen any profits, but with us, you pay after you make money. Plus, it's hands-free and hassle-free. You can even be sleeping while your profits roll in. It's perfect for new traders overwhelmed by the vast amount of information online. Think of it as a long-term investment. With just a conservative 2% monthly growth, you'll see a remarkable 24% annual growth, something banks and most investment companies can't offer. But wait, it's not just for big players. Our copy trading service works for both regular accounts in dollars and cent accounts. You can start as low as $10 equivalent to 1,000 US cents. But for optimal results, we recommend starting with at least $100 which is equivalent to 10,000 US cents. Your capital can grow and you have full control. Withdraw your profits whenever you want. It's your money, and we don't have access to your funds. Our program is in partnership with Hot Forex Markets, a reputable broker that sponsors the football club PSG. So don't wait any longer. This is the future of Forex trading. Click the link below to join our Telegram group for instructions on how to get started. And thanks for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.